Yes, putting on my hat. So welcome guys to CNJ Jamaica, and it's week two of me welding, learning to weld. And remember, we're making a flower stand for a flower pot. And let me tell you, see, I'm in second week of doing this thing, and I am going at it as if I know what I'm doing, but it's just the help of all the persons who are in this class with me, and with our teacher who is very patient, that somebody who is totally out of her element is able to feel as if I can take up this rod and be able to do some welding. All right, see, they have to show me how to even turn on the machine again because I missed that first class. But thank you to all the students of the welding class at Yalas High School. You have all been very helpful. You have all been very patient. As one of my classmates said, don't be afraid to ask why. Don't be afraid to ask questions, because we're all in this thing together. Watch girl, watch girl, watch girl. Yes. All right. So as I said last week, don't stay at home and just be sad about all that is happening during this COVID time. Go out there and learn something new. Get yourself involved. If you don't want to be as adventurous as me as welding, read a new book. Read something on a new type of content. Try your hand on a new dish, a new thing to prepare, but go out there and do something. And so my fellow students around me, I want to thank the Coleys. Thank you for assisting, making sure that I'm actually doing this thing properly. But I just can't thank the members of this class enough for assisting, and for the expertise of the Coleys and how they have been assisting everybody in the class to get better and better. That is what you call unselfish individuals who are willing to help persons along as we travel along this road of life. So thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Whew, it's fun to learn something new. So guys, as you go through this video, I want to leave with you my words of inspiration. In this life, let us not just sit back and look on all the bad things that are happening to us, but let us look on the positive things in our lives. God woke us up this morning. God has been taking care of us. Our family members are here with us. And for those that have gone before us, may God find them faithful. Father, we thank you for life. We thank you for food. And especially as many of us in Jamaica right now are at home, no movement days. And for all the persons around the globe who are not able to move as much, who are confined to their homes, and even to the ones that are out and about, Lord, keep us safe. Keep us safe. Keep us safe, Lord. But for now, it's welding. I'm making my flower pot, and at the end, watch until the end and you will see the progress that I have made so far. Thank you for watching CNJ Jamaica, and continue to watch as we learn something new during this COVID period. All right. Watch girl. Watch girl learning. Watch girl learning. That's right. I'm proud of myself, and I want all of you to take up some new thing, do something new, stretch your mind. It's the right thing to do. Have an outlet, something that your mind will just go away from all the negativities and just concentrate on something new. I remember God is always there for us. He will take us through. Listen to the music as you watch my progress. Welding class, practical number 2. Yeah. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to CNJ Jamaica. Watch me as I go through this journey called life. I love it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. let me tell you something. When you're in a class with other persons who have experience doing these things, when you're producing a flower spot, they produce things like this. So, that's it. So, in the future, here's the man. Alright. You think you have a shop, a welding shop? And it's called what? A&B Welding. N&B Welding. Oh, ND Welding. Okay. Now, who could imagine? I'm not in this area at all. Not with my hands any at all. But this is the product in the second week. It has a long way to go, but who would have thought?